This 2022 Forest River Cedar Creek 388 RK2 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Forest River is 41 feet 7 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 6, oven, microwave, awning, refrigerator, DVD player, auxiliary battery, water heater, stove top burner, external shower, slideout, and 69 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cedar Creek 388 RK2 is 12,809 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.